Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are playing with, well, I'm trying out two things. I'm doing these Real Techniques Rebel Edge brushes. I'm doing a first impressions on these, and actually I forgot all about the actual eye brush. So I tried to use it as a highlighter. It wasn't really working. But I did use, these are what they look like. They're really interesting and actually very ergonomically comfortable. Is that the word I'm looking for? I feel like that's the word I'm looking for. They're very comfortable to hold and apply at the angle that they're at. So I freaking love them. I am going to be using those all the time now. I really loved the bronzer. Oh man, it was beautiful. I just got lipstick on my shirt. Anyways, so today we are playing with Desert Oasis, and this is one of my Christmas present palettes, and I love this palette. It's so gorgeous. These shimmers are amazing. Let me know, you guys, when I do new palettes on my channel, let me know if you guys want to see swatches, because for the most part, I just don't pay attention to arm swatches except to see the color, but I can see the color in the pan of the actual makeup palette. Like this green right here, I can see that color, and it looked exactly the same on my eyes. But if you guys want to see arm swatches, let me know, because I can start incorporating arm swatches into these new palettes that I show on my channel. If not, I'll just, show you the palette and then get right on with the tutorial like I normally do. So if you guys are interested in seeing this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so I have some new brushes to try out, and I am going to try out these three. They're Real Techniques Rebel Edge Trio, and it did come with the small little brush here, which I forgot to use as an eyeshadow brush. But look at that, isn't that fun? And then it came with a blush slash highlighter brush. And then it came with a gigantic powder slash bronzer brush. I am using my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Okay, hold on. How do I go up this way? I feel like that's the way I should go. Yeah, we're gonna go up this way. So it's gonna be interesting. Ooh, I like that. It fits right up in there really nicely. Ooh, it fits right up under your neck perfectly. Look at that. Oh, it just fits right there in this spot. Ooh, okay, okay. I like that. Ooh, I like it. Okay. I love this. That's nice. So for blush, I'm going in with the Colourpop Duo. It's like a blush and a highlighter, and I'm going in with this blush color here. I love this. It fits perfectly on my cheekbone and just swoops right up. Ooh, I love this. I love this. So now for lips, I am doing Mochalicious by Wet n Wild, and I dropped the cap somewhere, so I'm gonna have to find that afterwards. Alright you guys, that is the final look with the Desert Oasis palette, and I really just wanted to do something warm and sultry looking. I didn't want to do blues. I feel like that blue is a very summery spring color, and I'm going to school today, and I don't know, I just didn't feel summer spring vibes. So I do love this though. I think it's very wearable, and it does complement a lot of eye colors. So I think a lot of people can wear this and look absolutely beautiful. So that is what I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!